Unlock hidden patterns in your data and transform raw numbers into compelling stories with scatter plots in Tableau. First, connect to your data source in Tableau. Whether it's an Excel sheet, a database, or any other supported format, drag the table containing your data onto the canvas to establish the connection. Now, let's build our scatter plot. On the left side, you'll see your data dimensions and measures. Drag the measure you want on the z-axis to the column shelf. This will be your independent variable. Next, drag the measure you want on the y-axis to the row shelf. This will be your dependent variable. Instantly, you'll see data points appear, forming the foundation of your scatter plot. Enhance your visualization by adding dimensions to the plot. Drag a categorical dimension to the color shelf. This will color code your data points based on the different categories, revealing potential groupings. For added depth, drag another measure to the size shelf. This will vary the size of the data points based on the values of that measure, providing another layer of information. Draw attention to crucial thresholds by adding reference lines or bands. Go to the Analytics pane. Drag reference line or reference band onto your plot and customize it to highlight specific values. Lastly, customize your tooltips to reveal detailed information about each data point. Click on Tooltip and add the desired dimensions and measures to give users valuable context. With these steps, you've successfully created an interactive and insightful scatter plot in Tableau. Use these plots to discover correlations, identify outliers, and make data-driven decisions. Keep practicing and exploring to master this powerful visualization technique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau tutorials.